Right, good morning people, we're off. Change of plans since the last little video from down my bar. I was going to do a concrete ramp. I had it in my head to do a concrete ramp, get some shuttering ply, shutter up concrete from your mum for the back of her house. But I don't know, I've been on and off about getting different ramps etc in the past, but my other half Jill, she was on the phone to her sister-in-law and she sort of mentioned, why don't you get a metal ramp? And I thought, no, and you know what, my foot's hurting, long story short, my foot's hurting. I'm getting old. I had it in my head to cut up this shuttering ply, make a nice ramp and do this, that and have concrete in and tamp it out and all that, blah, 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 blah. Got to get the tools out of the shed, get the spirit level out of the shed with trowels, with mixer and that. Anyway, sister-in-law mentioned about getting a metal ramp. I went on Facebook Marketplace and lo and behold, there's a ramp for sale, big aluminium ramp for sale. I thought, you know what, we're going to go and get that instead. It's only up the road from me, 20-minute drive apparently. So I'm going to go and get that, see what it's like. If it's no good, if your mum moans, she shouldn't. It should be alright. It looks a bit dirty and it might need a bit jet washing, but if my mum moans about it, I'll change the plan. I'll go and get the I'll make up the concrete one another time. My foot's hurting, I just want to get this ramp done, like a checker plate type thing, you know. So we'll have that, ramp it on the back. I think there's a little ramp that goes inside the house as well, so a bit inside, a bit outside. Be handy in the future if she ever does sort of end up in a wheelchair. She's not at the moment, she's in with a walker, but if she does end up in a wheelchair or a you know, one of these mobility scooters at a later date, then it'll be handy anyway to have. So she can use it for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. If she moans about it, I'll get rid of it. I'll whack it in the garage around there, and I'll get her. I'll make a concrete ramp when the weather's better. When my foot's not hurting, when I got my tools. So hopefully it needs a bit of a jet wash, I think. But see what she says about it. Anyway, off we go. Let's put the foot down. Shouldn't take long to get there. Ta-da! So that's the ramp bolt, purchased in and back them over. Have a little look. It's not too bad. Just needs a clean. There we go. It's got the bits for inside and the outside. Saves me a job. Make sure I'm gonna fit that, and hopefully Mum will be happy with it. Just got to grab the jet washer. That's the one I've got. The cartridge one, two cartridges. They blew up, so I've got this one now. See if it's any good. Not opened it yet. I've had it a year. All right. These jobs are always harder than you think. So I had to go and get a STS drill with a bit on the end of it. Bloody breaker with me. This fucking thing. Right, third time luck on this step. Hammer and bolster, no good. STS drill, no good. And now I've got the beast. Third time luck, let's see if this works now. Hammer and bolster, no good. STS drill, no good. I've now got the, like I've got a big breaker, Titan one I've used for years. I think I bought second hand years ago. Done me a few favours on different jobs, saves hiving one. So I'm going to plug it in, go up the step and crack on with it. Let's have a go, shall we? These jobs become bigger than you think. I just want to get this step out. Once the step's up, I can brush up, put the ramp in place. Oh. Hope this works, eh? Let's cave that away, get it around that side. Let's go. Better. clear that up a little bit and we'll start again. That is it, that's the ramp all gone. The old step rather, isn't it? It was up against that damp course, I never did like it. I'll leave those loose bits there. Right, I'm going to get the... Give us that lead, Mum. Are you ready to see the ramp installation?
Yeah, that's what I come out here for.
Obviously it needs jet washing first. You ready? I'll go and get it. Hang on. Hey? Up there against the garage. Right, I'm going to go and get it.
Where is it, in your car?
Oh, yeah, I've got it here.
Oh.
It's proper.
It's a proper one, isn't it?
Yeah. Please, sir. There you go. I'll fix that in place. What you meant to do, hang on. So I've got to think these go. I think they go there. Well, I'm not sure. No, they go at the bottom, feet down the bottom. If you want these, go inside. I don't know if you need these yet. Take the shim out of the way.
No, don't.
Not for now, put them in the garage.
No, don't take that. That's my door.
I have to look at the photographs, I think. You still got a bump there, obviously, because of your seal, you got a high seal.
Yeah. That's alright.
Right, try it now. Try to get it out. I don't think you need this bit. This bit's at the bottom, but I don't think you need this bit, do you?
Oh, really? I want to go straight down.
Yeah, put that in the garage. Move that out of the way. I bought a jet washer, I haven't jet washed it. I might put a couple of screws, fixings in there, a couple of washers. It's alright, isn't it? Right. Right, bump up. It's quite grip big, it's like a checkerboard. You escaped at last. Use your brakes, that's it. What do you reckon? It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, of course it is.
It's quite solid, isn't it?
I can get out, can't I? It's...
Yeah, of course you can. Right, now turn around and go back. What are you thinking?
I'm just thinking about the holes at the side. Are you going to put a bit of stones in there?
The holes at the side, what do you mean?
Them little holes.
Do you want me to cement that in at the edge?
Yeah, exactly.
Or dig it out and put a piece of slab in there? It's cracked, isn't it, where you've done a step? Because like you said, there's another step there, wasn't there, before the other step?
Oh, yeah.
So, always put a plant there, Mum. I'll tell you what, I'll move some plants, right? Just try and go back in. Go on. It's quite grippy. It's the right length, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got to get used to it, haven't I?
Well, obviously, don't. You've got to put your phone in your pocket, really, didn't you?
Yeah.
I'll do that. Go, over you go. Because of your door, you got that one of those high steps, Mum. A seal.
That's a lot,
There you go. You got what? Getting out till you're dead. Oh, it's like, look, plants either side, yeah?
Yeah, that'll do, yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Once those plants come up in the summer, it looks quite, from here, Mum, it looks alright.
Yeah, I'll have a look at it later on. I've got my shoes now.
Well, you can come out and have another go or not?
No, not at the moment. No.
So you can be able to walk over the road now?
Probably when I've got my shoes on. I must better put my shoes on there.
That isn't going to move. I don't think we need to screw that. I can't see that move. That's quite heavy.
No, I don't want that screw, John.
No, that's quite heavy.
No, I don't want it screwed. It'll ruin all the door frames.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy, that is. This plant either side look quite nice. Once they come up, you put some plants in there, get them planted out. You got your handrails. It's quite grippy. It's checker plate board, what they call it. Isn't it?
And I've got these 12 drops to get in
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Could always extend one if you wanted to.
Eh?
Could always extend the handrail if you wanted to.
No, I don't want it extended, do I?
No. That's grippier than you think, that board. Once you get your shoes on. I mean, you came out in your slippers, didn't you?
Yeah, I haven't got nothing on my feet at the moment. I use socks.
No. Right, job well done.
Job's done, yeah.
Yeah, is that right? Do you want that jet washed? Or is it a bit late in the day now? Shall I jet wash it next week?
Yeah, leave it there, John.
Yeah?
Yeah, leave it there. That's
I'll
it.
pack away, I think. I'm knackered. That step was harder than I thought, to be fair. Hey, look, I'll tell you what, well, Mum, you come out here, wave to the camera, say thank you. I think if you come out here, Mum, I think it looks alright. A lot neater. If you come here,
Yeah, I've got to get in and out, John, haven't I?
yeah, well, go on then. That's all I'll do with it. If you take a tumble, this could go viral, this video.
Hey?
If you take a tumble, this video could go viral.
I'm going to take a tumble. Fool.
No, I'm only joking. You alright? Go. Handrail, handrail. Use your brake. Go. Down.
I'll get used to using the brake down, isn't it?
Your brakes work, don't they?
Yeah, look.
That's it. Happy days, Mum. Result. Result. I think it looks nice and neat. I'll give it a jet wash next week, I think. What do you reckon? Told you, you can get some furniture back out. Get the furniture out of the garage and come out and have a sit down. The weather's getting better, yeah?
Oh, yeah, it looks alright, John. Yeah.
It looks neat. Look from here. It looks alright, doesn't it?
nice,
I
yeah.
think it looks quite nice and tidy.
Yeah, it looks tidy.
Yeah.
Lovely for all that. Yeah.
If you want, I'll get some soapy water and a scrubbing brush and scrub it up clean for you if you want. Or if you wait till next week, I'll jet wash it.
A bit cold out in there for you, isn't it?
Yeah, it is actually. Thank you, Mum. There you go, look, that's what we've done. Put the ramps that you supplied underneath there. That's plastic ramps. The mat on top and the door shuts, alright. That's better, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah.
And if you, like I say, if you did get a scooter or wheelchair, you could put some timber under this. This is the front edge. There, put some timber under there, raise it up, while I can use those other ramps. I do that, that's good, I'm pleased with it. Right, Mum, job done. Say goodbye.
Oh,
Bye.
bye.
Happy days. Sorted. Cheers, people. Thank you.